Hi guys, welcome to Star Aspect Designs. Today's design is just a minor modification on a previous design, and you can see that modification in this front facade where the porch does not cover the whole area including the carport. I'm sure if you look through the videos you'll be able to tell which design this is. So that's a minor change, that's just to decrease the size of the carport, the size of the porch, and also to add a few toilets at the back there. So that structure at the back you see is an outdoor toilet. This was specifically customized to cater for a certain client who wanted those particular revisions to the design. And also at the back here, the roof has been customized to hold 2 tanks, 2,500 liter tanks at the top there, which you see. So before it was a gable roof up there, and now it's a slab to hold those tanks for piping into the house. So there's nothing too drastic about the change. The plan remains the same. So what changes is just the exterior, some elements on the exterior. And here we are back to the front facade. So this here is the plan. Nothing has changed as I mentioned. But I should say maybe it's just one small tweak where the door to the outside from the kitchen was through the pantry, but now it's directly from the kitchen. And that's the kitchen you see right there. So if you'd like to analyze this design, please go to the initial design. I will link it down below and you can go through it. Alright, thanks so much for tuning in. I'll see you next time with a new design, and this time we shall be doing a mansionette on a 50 by 100 plot of land. So stay tuned. And until then, continue living large.